Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can apply the video filters to overlay only in CapCut PC. So first, you can select your videos or just photo that you like to edit. For example, so I'm going to select video and just add to the tag, and I'm going to add the overlay. So select video or photo that you want to add as an overlay, put on top. So this is the picture overlay. I'm going to resize and change for the position. So to add the filter just for the overlay only, you can select filter report. For example, filter PNW. But you can see if we add to the track filters, and it is applying to all the clips. But how to add just for the overlay? You can select the overlay and effect, and then right click, and you can select create component clip, and you can see the filter is applying to the overlay only. Yeah, super simple, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.